I am Uday Vons. Welcome to you to your favorite YouTube channel, Uday Vons English, or Learn English with Uday Vons. Today's topic is Activity 8 of Types of Sentences, and that is purely meant for the students of class 10. And in this activity, the instruction is name the simple sentences as S, compound sentences as D, and complex sentences as X. That means we have to we have to write S against the simple sentences, D against the compound sentences, and X against the complex sentences. And in this activity, there are 10 questions. Now, Subhasmita, question number 1.
Question number 1. I saw some of the tables had been pushed into a corner. The answer is complex sentence.
I saw that some of the tables had been pushed into a corner. I saw is the main clause. That some of the tables had been pushed into a corner. It is the subordinate clause. So it is a complex sentence. And its definition is the sentence that has one main clause and one or more than one subordinate clauses is a complex sentence. Question number 2.
I chose the corner table, seated myself, and started skimming through the newspaper. The answer is complex sentence.
I chose the, repeat it, I chose the,
I chose the corner table, seated myself, and started skimming through the newspaper. Compound sentence.
the answer is compound sentence because the sentence that is made up of the sentence that is made up of two or more than two principal clauses or main clauses is a compound sentence. And in this particular sentence, there are three principal clauses. So it is a compound sentence. Question number 3.
When I had finished my lunch, I asked the waiter about her. The answer is complex sentence.
Because when I finished my lunch, and it is a subordinate clause, and the rest part of it is a main clause, so it is a complex sentence. Question number 4.
The curiosity which I felt about the girl persisted.
Which I felt about the goal, and it is a subordinate clause. So the answer is complex sentence. Yes. Question number 5.
Question number 5. I understood how she felt. The answer is complex sentence.
I understood main clause how she felt. It is a subordinate clause. So it is a complex sentence. Number 6.
Do you usually go this way? The answer is simple sentence.
Yes, it has one finite verb. So it is a simple sentence. Number 7.
As we drank tea, I talked about India.
As we drank tea, we talked about India.
I talked about India.
I talked about India. Repeat the question.
As we drank tea, I talked about India.
Answer is
Complex sentence.
yes, because it has the main clause. I talked about India, and the rest part of it is a subordinate clause. So it is a complex sentence. Next question.
When I go to that part of the country, I shall visit your brother's grave and write to you. The answer is complex sentence.
Yes, when I when I go to that part of the country, it is a subordinate part. So it is a complex sentence. Next question number 9.
Maggie, take Mr. Gupta upstairs.
Maggie, take Mr. Gupta upstairs. The answer is
Simple sentence.
simple sentence because it has one finite verb. And question number 10 is
I got up and held her hand.
answer is
Compound sentence.
yes, because in this particular sentence there are two principal clauses. So perhaps I think that it will be better on the part of Subhasmita to repeat the answers only. Yes, question number 1,
Complex sentence.
question number 2,
Compound sentence.
question number 3,
Question number 3, complex sentence.
question number 4,
Complex.
5,
Complex.
6,
Simple.
7,
Complex.
8,
8. Complex.
9,
Simple.
10,
Compound.
Thank you. Perhaps I think that activity 8 is clear to you. If this channel is or will be useful to you and to your children, please like, share, and subscribe it.